Morning vlog. This morning, guys, I'm making banana porridge. Yes, guys, morning vlog. Yes, soon put it in the recipe as well. This morning, making some lovely banana porridge, Jamaican style. Yeah, the man. It's called Jamaican porridge. Guys, I didn't make a vlog for this video because my equipment has been down. So as soon as I get my equipment back up, then I have some video that I gotta edit as well. So I'm just giving you guys a minute video, making a banana porridge. All you will need, guys, is 2 green bananas, coronation milk, vanilla, harmony spice flavor, flour. Blend it in the blender, guys. That's where I blend it, and then throw it some cinnamon stick. Pretty much easy. And you sweeten it with some sweet condensed milk. So very easy, guys. Okay, look at the texture. It's called banana porridge. Banana porridge, check it out. Very beautiful texture. Okay, my YouTubers, I'm just keeping you guys updated, make you know I'm still here. Early morning vlog, trying to give you guys something to watch. Yeah, I have a lot more cooking videos coming soon, so tune in. Peace out. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.